Hello everybody, and welcome back to your channel HD Interiors. Epoxy tabletops have completely redefined modern furniture, blending functionality with artistic expression. Whether it's the breathtaking elegance of a resin river table or the mesmerizing swirls of a galaxy-inspired design, these pieces turn ordinary surfaces into statement works of art. In 2025, epoxy table trends are bolder and more innovative than ever. From deep ocean blues to glowing, multi-layered effects, designers are pushing the boundaries of creativity. This video highlights 50 of the most stunning epoxy tabletop designs you won't want to miss. Epoxy tabletop designs continue to evolve, bringing a mix of natural beauty and futuristic creativity. One of the standout trends this year is resin river tables, where rich, live edgewood meets flowing epoxy streams in deep blues, emerald greens, and even translucent finishes that mimic real water. Another eye-catching style is ocean wave designs, featuring layered resin techniques that create stunning, foamy waves, perfect for coastal and modern interiors. Meanwhile, galaxy and nebula tables bring a cosmic touch with swirling metallic pigments and deep space color palettes. For those who love luxury, geode-inspired tables are a must-have, using resin to form quartz-like patterns with rich jewel tones and shimmering accents. Epoxy tabletops aren't just about vibrant colors and glossy finishes, they also celebrate the beauty of natural materials. Live edge and epoxy fusion is a perfect example, preserving the raw, organic edges of wood while seamlessly blending them with crystal clear or tinted resin. This technique enhances the wood's character while adding a modern touch. For a high-end look, marble and epoxy blends are gaining popularity, where resin is expertly swirled to replicate the luxurious veining of real marble. Those who love a bit of shimmer are turning to metallic and pearl finishes, incorporating gold, silver, or iridescent pigments that catch the light beautifully. A more artistic approach comes with embedded objects, where elements like dried flowers, shells, or even semi-precious stones are encased within the resin. This trend turns tabletops into personalized pieces of art, making each design truly one of a kind. Epoxy tables aren't just about color and texture. Designers are reimagining shapes and structures to create one-of-a-kind statement pieces. Asymmetrical and organic shapes are replacing traditional rectangular forms, introducing free-flowing edges that mimic the natural contours of wood and stone. These designs feel fluid and artistic, making them a bold addition to modern interiors. For those who love a futuristic touch, glow-in-the-dark designs are gaining traction. Infused with phosphorescent pigments, these tables absorb light during the day and emit a soft glow at night, perfect for adding a dramatic effect to any space. Another innovative trend is multi-layered epoxy art, where resin is poured in multiple stages to create depth and dimension. This technique is often used for ocean, galaxy, or nature-inspired tables, bringing designs to life with a stunning 3D effect. For a more industrial and contemporary look, hybrid materials are making waves. Designers are mixing epoxy with materials like concrete, glass, and metal, creating bold contrasts that blend modern aesthetics with raw textures. Color plays a crucial role in epoxy tabletop design, setting the mood and defining the overall aesthetic. In 2025, earthy neutrals and soft pastels are making a strong impact, with warm taupes, sandy beiges, and muted sage greens creating a calming, nature-inspired feel. These tones pair beautifully with wood, making them a popular choice for modern rustic interiors. For those who prefer bolder statements, jeweled tones like deep emerald, sapphire blue, and amethyst purple bring a luxurious and dramatic effect. These rich hues, often combined with metallic accents, give tables a striking, high-end appeal. Monochrome elegance is another standout trend, where black and white resin swirls mimic marble or create sleek, abstract patterns. This timeless combination fits effortlessly into minimalist and contemporary spaces. Finishes are also evolving, with ultra-glossy versus matte epoxy offering two distinct aesthetics. High-gloss surfaces reflect light beautifully, making colors appear more vibrant, while matte finishes provide a softer, velvety texture for a sophisticated, understated look. Epoxy tabletops have transformed furniture into true works of art, offering limitless possibilities in design, texture, and color. Whether it's the elegance of a resin river table, the cosmic beauty of a galaxy swirl, or the organic charm of live-edge wood, these pieces add character and sophistication to any space. Beyond aesthetics, epoxy's durability makes it a long-lasting investment. Scratch-resistant, waterproof, and easy to maintain, these tables are not just beautiful, but also practical. As 2025 pushes design boundaries even further, expect to see more multi-layered depth effects, bold color contrasts, and hybrid material combinations redefining modern interiors. For those looking to upgrade their home with a statement piece, epoxy tabletops offer the perfect blend of artistry and function. Whether minimal or extravagant, each design tells a story, turning everyday surfaces into breathtaking centerpieces. Epoxy tabletops are more than just furniture, they're expressions of creativity and craftsmanship. From mesmerizing resin rivers to bold metallic finishes and intricate embedded designs, these tables turn any space into a statement of modern elegance. With endless customization options and durable, eye-catching finishes, epoxy remains one of the most exciting trends in 2025. Whether you're drawn to nature-inspired aesthetics or futuristic artistry, there's a design to match every style. Epoxy tabletops don't just complete a room, they redefine it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more stunning design ideas. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.